What if just say we do have a month's data stored in a text format?
Meaning from this particular column into this particular format.
Hello and a very good everyone. So in this video, what we will learn is we will learn how to convert actually a text format months column to a proper date format.
When we look at this given data, what do we have is we actually have the states column, we have the inventories column, we have SKU, we have products, we have months column, and we have the value column. But apparently what happened in this particular column, yes, we do have months, but the months are actually stored in a text format. It is actually stored in a ABC text format. So the problem is when a months column, it is stored in a text format, if just say I were to sort in ascending format, it will actually sort in an alphabetical order. Meaning to say, in Power Query, in Power BI, they don't recognize January as the first month. They recognize April as the first month because alphabetically, April starts with letter A, so that's why April sorted in ascending order. But however, when we look here, in the original data, because January is the first month and December is the last month. So in Power Query and Power BI, they're not able to recognize that. There is no autofill feature whereby if just say when we look at this Excel file, we have January, February, March. So just say I write here January, and when I drag this down, you will notice that it is able to do autofill. Autofill means I just drag downwards, they recognize, okay, January is the first month, February is the next month, and next is December. The same thing also, if just say I were to autofill on this end, it is able to recognize until December. So in Excel there is autofill, but in Power BI, in Power Query, they are not able to recognize when a month it is actually stored in a text format. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to this Power Query and we will use a mQuery feature. Go to the add column, go to the custom column. In the custom column, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the mQuery function or formula called Date.From.Text. What they are able to do is, in this Date.From.Text, they are actually recognizing text data and will convert it into a date format. So I'm just going to press tab, open bracket. So what is the text? Okay, so I'm just going to put here as 1st January, apostrophe 1st, and then slash apostrophe n. So I just put, because like when we talk about February, we have like 28 days. When we talk about December, we have 31 days. When we talk about June or we talk about April, we have 30 days. So to standardize, I just put 1 slash apostrophe, and then this month is basically in text. So it will convert the text. So I'm going to select this months, insert apostrophe, and then I'll just put the year 2025. So slash 2025, and then close apostrophe, close bracket. So this is no syntax error. So it starts with the first slash, months, and then when I press OK, what happened is it is able to recognize the dates, and then we are able to convert the dates. So this is basically the formula whereby I use Date.From.Text, whereby it is able to convert a months or text format into a date data. And I'll just rename this to a dates column, and then I press OK, and then I can actually convert this into a date. So when I convert this into a date, you will notice now we have a date format. So just say when I press home and close and apply, what happens is it will close and go back to the Power BI. So in this case, if just say I want to recognize the date, what I'll do is I'll just click a clustered column chart, expand the date, and then expand the date hierarchy. I'll just take the month and I'll just take the value. So when I were to do in this case, you will notice automatically they recognize January, February, March, April until December. However, if just say I never do the conversion, I just use the same clustered column chart. I just take the months and I just take the value. So in this case, what happened is it is sorting the data, showing the data from the largest to the smallest. Even if they say I click on more options and I just say I click sort by months, and also click here sort by in ascending order. So what happened is it will sort April first. So the difference between these two is, if they say we have a month's data stored in a text format, we can able to use Power Query feature date from text to convert it. Because if just we never convert, apparently what happen is in this particular visual, it will recognize April as the first month and September as the last month.